Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Know whether the network blocks streaming and have permission if required. Next, install or update a secure browser so extensions work properly. This avoids compatibility issues. Then, choose and install a reputable VPN or trusted web proxy. Why? Because encrypted tunnels bypass simple HTTP blocks and protect your traffic. Once done, sign into the VPN, confirm a non-blocked region, and make sure DNS leaks are prevented before you load YouTube. Now you configure access. Connect to a VPN server in a region where YouTube is available, because that changes your apparent location and avoids regional blocks. Next, clear cache and enable HTTPS only or secure DNS to prevent mixed content problems. Disable extensions that inject scripts since they can trigger filters. If playback lags, switch to YouTube's lightweight HTML5 player or mobile user agent. This reduces bandwidth and bypasses complex desktop filters. Make sure your VPN allows streaming and test with a short clip. To finish, optimize for stability and speed. Change the VPN protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN depending on which gives lower latency, and pick a nearby server for speed. If YouTube remains blocked, try obfuscation features, alternate ports, or another server. Sometimes switching providers fixes DPI throttling. Finally, monitor your data usage and disconnect when done to conserve bandwidth and reduce exposure. If playback still fails, restart the browser and VPN. Then test again to isolate whether the network or device is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.